In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get listed on the Whop Marketplace. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently, ensuring your product gets the visibility it deserves. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Whop dashboard. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll be able to access all the tools you need to set up your store and get your product ready for potential buyers. Next, it's time to complete your store page. This is a crucial step as it's where you'll add important details about your product. Start by entering a clear and catchy product title. This will be the first thing customers see, so make it compelling. Then move on to the headline and description. Here, you'll want to be informative and engaging, explaining what your product is and why it's valuable. Make sure to include a logo that represents your brand clearly. This visual element is key to making your store page look professional and trustworthy. Additionally, consider adding gallery images or even videos. These visuals can provide potential buyers with a better understanding of your product, showcasing it from different angles or highlighting its features. Don't forget to set at least one pricing option. This is how customers will know what to expect in terms of cost, and it's essential for completing the setup of your store page. After your store page is looking good, you'll need to choose the correct product type and category. This step is vital for ensuring that your product is easily discoverable by users browsing the marketplace. Carefully select the category that best fits your product to reach the right audience. Once you've done that, make sure to save your changes. Double-check everything to ensure your product is ready for sale. Finally, if you're prompted to, submit or enable your product for marketplace listing. This is the last step in the process, and it's what ultimately gets your product out there for potential buyers to see. If there's an option to enable the listing directly, make sure to do so. Otherwise, follow the submission prompts to complete the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully listing your product on the Whop Marketplace. Remember, the key to a great listing is clarity and appeal. So take your time to ensure everything looks and reads well. Good luck with your marketplace venture, and thank you for watching.